Good stormy afternoon. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I am working on prompt 28 for the Junk Journal July Journaling Challenge hosted by Make Journals and Get Messy Art. Today's prompt is upcycled, and I had a hard time thinking about what to do for this one, but I finally came up with something that I think will fit the bill. I had already made these, a bunch of these, a long time ago. And it is an old vintage index card that I upcycled into a specimen card. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a little bubble sticker, and I had all these little bubble stickers, and I thought they'd make great things to use for specimen, you know, like specimen cards. Here's another one that I made, and I've sewed those on, and then I made these kinds. But these aren't really from old material that I'm trying to upcycle, but all these index cards definitely upcycled. That's the only bubble one I have left. Oh no, here's another one. That's an earwig, I think. I don't know. But anyway, I've got a whole bunch of those, and I thought I'd take advantage of that and make it a little easier on myself. But I'm wondering if I could put something right here to decorate it a little bit more and upcycle it a little bit more. I'm thinking maybe some kind of stamp, like a ladybug stamp. How about that? Let's just put a ladybug on there. Oh, whoops, that would be cute. It's another bug. I'm going to put that right here. And you can't see it too well, but it's there. And yeah, I think that's good. And maybe a dragonfly too. Let's try that. Dragonfly, I'll just kind of put over here. I think I need a darker brown sometimes. Oops, that came out darker. Alright, so I think that's all I'm going to do to continue recycling that. And then I also have this tag that I want to upcycle. And I'm just going to cover it with some vintage fabrics that I'm upcycling. And I'm just going to glue the fabric down, and I don't really care if some of the card is showing through. But I will need to put something on the back if I'm actually going to use it as a journaling card. I also thought I would cover up, I always end up covering up all my pages with something that kind of matches this vibe a little bit more. So I'm going to cover it up with that. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is actually put some paper on the back of this. And I don't think I explained that I'm going to make this be a pocket. This is going to be the pocket, and I just realized I am zoomed in. I didn't realize I was zoomed in before. I'm so sorry. So anyway, I put a vintage index card on the back of this, so I'm upcycling the card and the tag. And now I'm putting fabric on the front of the tag. And I'm going to use this as the pocket to put the tag in. So I'm going to put a strip of this on each side, and then we'll trim it off. So that's going to look cute. Kind of like a patchwork type of thing. I think I need a little more glue. I think I can move this in. I guess that red stripe really isn't showing so much. Okay. And more glue. Yep, it's thundering. I'm pretty sure you can probably hear that. Okay, we'll cut this part off at the corners here. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good. And now I have to glue this on. And I think I'll try to see if I can actually find a quote about upcycling. There's got to be something out there to put on the back of the tag. Upcycling is fun, but it can be expensive. I would love to get stuff from the thrift stores and fix them up and sell them. That would be cool. However, it's expensive. It is. It's expensive to do it if you're not rich. You don't have upfront money. Let's put it that way. I am going to have a little bit too much glue here. I'll have to get that off. So I need to put something under there so it doesn't stick to the page below. And now we're going to make our pocket right here. And put the tag in there. I do not remember zooming in my camera before. Alright, so that's there. While that's drying, I'm going to look for a quote. Everything is dry, and I have found 3 little quotes that I thought were very appropriate for this prompt. Recycling or upcycling, turn things into other things, which is like magic. There is no such thing as a way. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere. Upcycling takes old things and gives them a new life. And when you think about it, junk journaling is very much an upcycling hobby. We're taking lots of old things that we find that have been recycled in the thrift shops and such, and recycling them and giving them new life and a new home. And they often are better than they were before. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to put the number on here, which is 28. And then we will be done with this prompt. I hope you're all doing very well. And I appreciate you stopping by and watching my little videos. I hope you'll continue to stop by even after Junk Journal July is over, because I do have a lot of things planned of catching up with my personal journaling. And so tomorrow's prompt is 29, and that is playlist. Oh boy, I don't have a playlist. I'm crazy as it seems, not really that much into music. So I'm gonna have to figure out, maybe I'll do my 70s playlist from when I was a teenager. That would work. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!